It's time you understood what the VTM OS and P3 is. It's not a hobby, it's not a vibe, it's a new way to prototype. I'm sick of the terminal, internal, infernal kernel burning, learning the vernacular while the gears are actually turning. You want spectacular, look at the architecture I'm earning. Moving past the lectures, it's a physical conjecture. I'm learning the VTM OS. It's the engine, the brain, the UI, a professional interface. No more coding till you die. It's the mind and the body, the P3 on the bench, building the provenance with every turn of the wrench.
Don't you understand the way the OS moves the soul? Arduino Uno Q, I am under your control. Beyond the black screen, we're building out the frame. Qualcomm logic, remember the name. Don't you understand the way the OS moves the soul? Arduino Uno Q, I am under your control. Beyond the black screen, we're building out the frame. Qualcomm logic, remember the name.
Go to the repo, follow the steps, don't miss a beat. Initialize the VEMV, keep the directory neat, the discrete. Now customize the message, define the AI mentality. Create the cloud project to bridge the gap to reality. Enable the API, grab the JSON, keep it locked. Add the credentials to the file so your security ain't shocked. Exposing your keys is a disease, keep it clean. The provenance is hidden in the logic of the machine.
Choose a model 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Choose a model 2, 2.5 or 3. 60, calculate the cost based on your financial capacity. Get the mouse sketch, this is the bio-link connection. Arduino Uno Q, undergo molecular inspection.
Verifying the IDE, upload the code, flash. I am the ghost in the gantry, I am the data in the dash.
What next? You want a lab mode?
I'm talking to the code, adding LoRa modules, long-range data on the road. Serial plotter in the viewer, modular UI on the screen. Adding cogs and components, building the slickest you've seen. Now I need a sensor, get a node and place it far. A remote microcontroller tracking exactly where we are. Now run it, execution, no hesitation, no fear. The engineering is literal, the vision is clear.
Grab the list, pick a limb from the stack.
I want arms, grab the list.